talk about the topic understanding yourself. To begin with, let's start with the brainstorming.
For me, the topic I share now is about emotional intelligence. I choose this topic because when it comes to understanding the self, you have to know how you could possibly react and recognize your ability. Emotional intelligence helps us to understand, control, and express our emotion in healthy ways, while also understanding the emotion of others. It helps us make better decisions, communicate more effectively, and build strong relationships.
For me, self-esteem. Self-esteem is about how you see yourself, how you treat yourself, and how you face challenges in daily life. It shows how to feel about, and it's about giving value to ourselves as a person. When we have healthy self-esteem, we fully trust our abilities and we don't let self-doubt hold us back. It helps us become a better version of ourselves by giving us the courage to try new things, handle hardship without thinking of giving up, setting healthy boundaries with others, treating ourselves with kindness, and work towards achieving our goals with confidence.
I think self-awareness does matter too. Why? Because self-awareness helps me see who I really am, my thoughts, feeling why I'm good at, and what are the things in myself that need to work on. So I don't just ask recklessly without thinking if it's good for me or not. Self-awareness changed me by helping me make better choices that fit what's important to me. Help me get along better with others. I learn, grow from my mistakes. I can now handle my emotions better and being true to myself instead of trying to be someone I'm not.
Thank you boys for sharing that. May we proceed to my next question. Why does self-understanding matter? And how did one topic change you?
Understanding the self, particularly through self-esteem, builds emotional resilience and guides authentic living. Exploring self-esteem as a topic can probably shift mindset by revealing how self-worth influence behavior and choices. This awareness fosters lasting personal transformation. This topic changed me by boosting my confidence. Realizing how self-esteem influences resilience helps replace self-doubt with affirming self-talk and improve interactions, understanding my self-worth, clarified boundaries in relationship and group work.
Self-understanding matters in the reason of both self-esteem, vitality, and sense of meaning in life. It enables better coping with stress through active strategies and reduce impulsive reactions. Self-awareness helps me chance my well-being by recognition, action with core values and promoting personal growth.
Understanding the self through emotional intelligence builds resilience, empathy, and better life outcomes. It equips individuals to recognize and manage emotions effectively. One emotional intelligence topic like self-regulation can profoundly shape behaviors and perspectives. It helps me change in the way of building resilience. Emotional intelligence fosters awareness of personal emotions, preventing impulsive reactions during stress, and strengthens relationships. It improves empathy by helping individuals read others' emotions accurately, promoting
Maraming salamat sa inyong
cooperation.
cooperation. Honestly, I was amazed at how you express your thoughts and explain it concisely. To end, I want to share a short message. Understanding yourself helps you make wiser choices, handle stress better, and grow as a person. So self-reflection is important in daily life. Have a nice day, everyone.